Welcome to our channel. Today, we're diving into the fascinating story of the Super Mystère Sa'ar, a remarkable fighter jet that showcases Israel's ingenuity and resilience in the face of challenges. Originally acquired from France in the late 1950s, the Dassault Super Mystère B made history as the first supersonic fighter in the Israeli Air Force. However, after the French arms embargo in 1967, Israel faced a pivotal moment. Instead of backing down, they embraced the challenge, transforming the Super Mystère into the Sa'ar, which means storm in Hebrew. This wasn't just a name change, it was a complete overhaul that demonstrated Israel's commitment to self-sufficiency and innovation. One of the most significant upgrades was the replacement of the original French Atar 101 engine with the more powerful American General Electric J52 engine. This enhancement provided the Sa'ar with improved thrust, reliability, and overall performance, allowing it to remain competitive in the skies. The jet was further equipped with advanced Israeli avionics and electronic systems, enabling it to carry cutting-edge air-to-air missiles and precision strike munitions. While it excelled in ground attack missions, it was also capable of air defense when needed, showcasing its versatility. The Sa'ar played a crucial role in several key conflicts, including the Six-Day War, the War of Attrition, and the Yom Kippur War. Its ability to conduct low-level attack missions and provide close air support made it an invaluable asset during these turbulent times. Despite being older than newer models like the F-4 Phantom and F-15, the Sa'ar's effectiveness was a testament to the skill of Israeli pilots and the thoughtful modifications made to the aircraft. As the 1970s progressed, the Sa'ar began to be phased out in favor of more advanced American aircraft. However, many of these jets found new life abroad, with Honduras being a notable operator where they served for decades. The story of the Super Mystère Sa'ar is not just about a fighter jet. It's a powerful example of how innovation and determination can extend the life of technology far beyond its original purpose. It reflects Israel's ability to adapt and thrive, turning challenges into opportunities. Thank you for joining us on this journey through aviation history. If you enjoyed this video, please consider subscribing to our channel for more captivating stories. Your support means the world to us.